Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your BEP20 address in Trust Wallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see there is a manage crypto option. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a BNB smart chain at the fourth. So make sure you enable this one. And now let's get back, and you can see there is a BNB smart chain at the fourth. So you need to tap on that option because BNB smart chain is basically a BEP20, so please do not make any kind of mistake over here. So now you simply need to tap on the receipt, or you can also tap on the buy BNB, but let's tap on the receipt to see a BEP20 address. Now you can see there is a QR code of your BEP20, and there is a wallet address as well just down below of your QR code. And you can also copy it by tapping on the copy, and you can also set the amount by tapping on the set amount, and you can also share it with your members or your friends or in social medias as well. And just down below of it you can see there is a deposit from exchange. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a Binance. So basically this is how you can find BEP20 address or BEP20 address in Trust Wallet. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.